I'm Sweetal Trinidad and I'm the Senior Dietetics Officer in Food Service Department in PD Hinduja Hospital and MRC. I have been working for last 3 years in Hinduja Hospital and total years of experience is around more than 10 years. Over the period of 10 years, we have moved from the manual work to the tab, and we have seen a lot of technology evolving. So earlier we used to use diet sheets wherein a lot of manual ticking was done, manual handwriting was done. It was quite time consuming, as a result of which we used to do a lot of clerical work, data entry in the system, against generating the sheets, doing writing work, writing a lot of things on the sheet. So that was time consuming. Now we have moved on to the tab. With manual system, we used to face problem of patient history not being stored. So whenever the patient would get readmitted, it used to be really difficult for us to recollect what all preferences were told to us. For example, we have chemo patients who keep getting admitted again and again, and they have a particular preference. Okay, so what happens is every now and then patients don't like to repeat, and moreover, if somebody happens to remember their preferences, their earlier admission preferences, so they really feel happy about it. It gives a personal touch. So we were looking for a system wherein patient history could be stored. Secondly, the manual diet sheets which were prepared were handwritten. Most of the things were ticked and handwritten. So it was very difficult for the service person to identify what is written. Handwriting was not that legible. So even if you are taking rounds, detailed rounds, talking to the patient, counseling, everything happens. But if the end product does not reach the patient, all your efforts are in vain. Ultimately, the patient is not getting right food. And one of our quality indicators is right food to right patient. To assure all this, we were in search of a system which would minimize all these errors, which would help us store all the data and store that data for the next admission also. Our goal was to develop a system wherein patient or service would be benefited, minimize service errors, and the entire patient history would be stored. So that is how Neuralbits helped us with a system. Dietto app, which is an app for tablet, Android app. We have more than 78 therapeutic diet types, and our menu changes almost every week. So Dietto helps us to do all this without hampering our working. Also, it helps us to generate daily reports. That is our service sheets, our Dietto diet sheets, wherein all the details are there. It also gives us the summary of the diet which is to be prescribed to the patients, the KOTs, wherein you can have count of every chapati, every portion of rice, and various other things. So it gives a perfect count. The system is quite user friendly, and this allows us to spend more time with the patient. Whatever diet type is recommended to the patient is saved at the bedside. All the patient's preferences are taken and saved in the tab. So that is how it is very rare that you miss out on any particular thing. The app is quite user friendly, and we at Hinduja are using it with quite ease. So we would also recommend it to the other dietitians to make your life more easy and spend more time in counseling and less time in the clerical work. Thank you.